So today I am going to be making a homemade cake, and I'm going to be using some of our freeze-dried eggs in that recipe. Now these end up being duck eggs, which are just a little bit richer, but once I mix them up, they will work exactly like a regular egg does. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure all these out. Typically they say 2 tablespoons of the egg, powdered egg, to 2 tablespoons of water equals 1 medium egg. Now the thing is I'm doing a little bit of experimenting right now, and when I've done up so 2, 4, 6 tablespoons of the powder and 6 tablespoons of the egg, I'm only coming up with about 100 milliliters of actual liquid. Now in the baking world, I know that that's approximately 2 chicken eggs. Let me see what it turned around to be. So this says half of a cup, or 4 ounces, which that's equivalent to 2 chicken eggs. So what I'm trying to do is just make it so that it's quick, so the next time that I do this, I just can go, okay, just say for instance 2 ounces of eggs, 2 ounces of water, and I've got my 3 eggs. So I'm going to take you guys along and show you how I actually figure this out. Alright, so online it says 2 tablespoons of eggs and 2 tablespoons of water equals 1 egg. So I multiplied that times 3 in order to get 3 eggs. 6 tablespoons of egg, 6 tablespoons of water, but that only equaled 100 milliliters of actual egg. So what I need to do is figure out how to get 3 eggs. So what I'm going to do is 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 tablespoons of egg and 9 tablespoons of water. And let's see where that gets me. We're going to open up these eggs. All I do is just run my spoon here. You hear that ping? That's what you want to hear. We're going to remove the oxygen absorber. Kind of see what these look like. Nice and powdery. We're going to measure out 9 tablespoons. So that is equal to, looks like, half a cup. Then we are going to add 9 tablespoons of water. Alright, and let's see what that equals. Looks like half of a cup of water. So we're going to add the we're going to let this set for a few minutes, and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is set for a few minutes. Let's give this a little look. Looks like it's got a pretty good consistency. Let's measure it out. So this is showing up to be about 150 milliliters, which is exactly what I needed. So that took a little bit of work, and all these years of me baking professionally, sometimes I still get stuck on trying to figure out simple things like this. So I hope this helped you guys out. If anybody is storing freeze-dried eggs, this is tried and true. I've baked with it, and it is amazing. So if I can encourage you guys to use the stuff in your pantry, this is what I'm doing. I want you guys to keep on baking, keep on cooking, keep on stocking your pantry, keep on keeping on. These little struggles like this are going to make life easier down the road. Next time I go to do this, I'm going to be like, I remember this. I can pull out my little cheat sheet and I can go right to, if I need a dozen eggs, I can measure that right out, and I don't have to have the headache of, oh my gosh, what was it that I was supposed to do? All right, guys, until next time, we're out of here.